Have you ever said something to your partner with love, only for it to be taken the wrong way? Have you ever found yourself saying, "That's not even what I meant," during an argument with your partner? Or maybe you've sat in silence, frustrated because you just didn't know how to express what you were feeling. Or maybe your spouse shuts down during conversations and you are left feeling frustrated, unheard, and alone. You're not alone. And guess what? God has something to say about this too. Here's the truth. Even the most godly relationships can struggle with communication. But the Bible offers powerful, practical tools to turn that struggle into strength. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will walk away with 5 faith-based strategies to communicate with clarity, love, and understanding. Hey family! Welcome back to the channel where we talk faith, love, and real-life relationships with biblical wisdom. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done that already, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this today. I am Dr. Molola Omoshebi, and today we are talking about a subject that can either make or break your relationship, and that is communication. We will be diving deep into how to develop effective communication in your relationship. Not just talk, but true connection. And this isn't just theory. These are tested biblical principles that will transform how you connect with the one you love. If you're ready to stop feeling misunderstood and start building real intimacy, then this video is for you. So stick with me till the end. And also, I will share a powerful prayer you can start using today to restore peace and understanding in your conversations. Let's dive right in. Number 1, communication starts with the heart. The foundation of great communication is listening with the heart. The Bible tells us in James chapter 1 verse 19, "Let every person be quick to hear, slow to speak, slow to anger." This verse is gold for relationships. Too often, we are quick to respond and slow to actually listen. But real communication starts when we stop listening to reply and start listening to actually understand. You need to know that listening is more than hearing words. It's tuning into your partner's emotions, unspoken needs, and body language. It is creating a safe space where your partner can feel seen and heard. If your heart is full of fear, resentment, or past hurts, for instance, your words, even when carefully chosen, will actually reflect that. According to Luke chapter 6 verse 45, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. For example, you might say, "I am fine," but your tone says, "I'm hungry," and "you should know why." Ever been there? Now here's the solution. Ask God to heal and fill your heart before you speak. Emotional honesty starts with spiritual alignment. You can't pour out love when you are empty inside. So try this. Instead of reacting, say, "Help me understand what you're feeling right now." That one question can shift the entire tone of a conversation. Now here's a prayer you can pray. You can pray to God and ask Him to cleanse your heart and let your words bring peace and not pain. Number 2, be quick to listen and slow to speak. I will still make reference to James chapter 1 verse 19. We often do the exact opposite of what that verse says. We are usually quick to speak and slow to listen, and also quick to anger. Listening really is not waiting for your turn to speak. It's about being fully present. Put the phone down, make eye contact, ask clarifying questions like, "What do you need from me right now? A solution or just support?" When your partner feels heard, they feel loved. And when you listen with compassion, you open the door for deeper intimacy. Number 3, speak the truth in love. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 15 encourages us to speak the truth in love. Truth without love can be harsh or sound like criticism. And love without truth can lead to silent resentment. But when you have both coming together, they build a strong, honest, godly relationship. Here's a tip. Avoid accusations like you always or you never. Instead, use I statements to express how you feel without placing blame. It shows maturity and invites cooperation, not conflict. Like, I feel hurt when I'm not heard. So instead of saying, you never help me around the house, try, I feel overwhelmed when I do everything alone. Can we talk about how to share the load? This actually shifts the focus from blame to vulnerability. When communicating hard things, your tone matters just as much as your words. Proverbs chapter 15 verse 1 reminds us, a gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. Truth should build up, not tear down. Speak with grace, not just facts. Number 4, timing is everything. Not every moment is the right moment to talk. You need to remember that often. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 7 says, there's a time to be silent and a time to speak. Bringing up serious issues at the wrong time can do more harm than good. For instance, if your partner just walked in from a stressful day, that might not be the best time to talk about finances or unmet expectations. If your partner is tired, angry, or distracted, wait. A wise communicator knows when to speak and when to be still. Here is a practical tip. Schedule check-in moments weekly. A calm environment plus prepared acts equals healthier conversations. Now, prayer also helps here. Ask God for wisdom and self-control before entering deep conversations. Trust me, a 5-minute prayer can save you from a 2-hour argument. Don't argue late at night or during emotionally charged moments. Pause, pray, and revisit when you are both in a better state of mind. Remember, timing and patience matter. Number 5, invite God into your communication. Before you bring an issue to your spouse, bring it to God. He softens hearts. He gives wisdom. He gives you the right words, and sometimes He shows you it wasn't even worth the fight. Philippians chapter 4 verse 6 says, do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, present your requests to God. Healthy communication isn't just about technique. It's about the heart. Luke chapter 6 verse 45 says, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. So if your heart is full of pride, bitterness, or past wounds, it will show in how you speak. But if it's filled with the love and grace of God, your words will bring life. Couples who pray together report stronger emotional connection and, of course, fewer conflicts. I encourage you to start praying together about your communication. Even a simple 3-minute daily prayer together can shift the spiritual atmosphere of your home. Ask God to purify your hearts and make your words a reflection of His love. Try saying something like, Lord, help us speak with kindness, listen with patience, and forgive quickly. Pray together and remember to talk to God first. Let me give you a bonus tip. Use non-verbal communication wisely. Now, this is something I've had to struggle with. Did you know Over 70% of communication is actually non-verbal. Your body language, facial expressions, and even your silence speak volumes. Make sure your non-verbal cues align with your words. A gentle touch, eye contact, or a warm smile can diffuse tension faster than words alone. And don't underestimate the power of a loving gesture. Let's recap. 1. Let your heart be healed and filled before you speak. 2. Listen actively and with compassion. 3. Speak the truth, but always with love. 4. Choose the right time to talk. And 5. Pray together and seek God first. Communication in a godly relationship isn't about being perfect. It's about being humble, intentional, and spirit-led. Communication can be hard, but with God, it's never impossible. Relationships thrive when both partners commit to growth, grace, and godly wisdom. You can start small, just one new habit today. Whether it's listening better, speaking softer, or praying first, every step counts. You don't need fancy words. You only need a willing heart. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one lesson you've learned the hard way about communication in your relationship? And how have you been able to navigate through that struggle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to learn from you. And if this video blessed you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it blessed you. Someone in your circle might just need it today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, keep building, keep loving, and above all, keep God at the center of your relationship. See you in the next video. Bye.